If you are diabetic and drinking bitter leaf the wrong way, you are wasting it, and in some cases you are harming yourself. This is bitter leaf. You know, bitter leaf reduces excess blood sugar and it supports the pancreas. If you are not doing it the right way, you are not taking bitter leaf the right way, you are harming yourself. And in this video, I will tell you how to take bitter leaf the right way, so that if you are having any type of diabetes, bitter leaf will give you the right cure to it. So how do you use bitter leaf to cure diabetes the right way? Many people take bitter leaf excessively. They do it very excessively. This is herb, and herbs are powerful. So you have to use wisdom in taking it, or get advice from a professional herbalist. So why I'm advising you today to do this is so that you can see solution to that diabetes which you are having. So how do you use bitter leaf the right way to cure diabetes? All you have to do is to take it moderately. Get this bitter leaf, squeeze it, you understand? Just rinse it, put it into a bowl, you understand? Put it into a bowl, add water and squeeze, you understand? You squeeze it like this inside the water till the liquid, the water liquid, the clean water, I mean use clean water, pure water to squeeze this, to squeeze the bitter leaf. You squeeze inside but the water become green, then you filter. Take it once a day, half cup, once a day, half cup. Or even if you are boiling, also take it once a day, preferably in the morning. In the morning time, preferably in the morning time. Just take half cup in the morning. Don't take it excessively. Some people do take full cup morning, afternoon and evening. No, you know this bitter leaf regulates blood sugar in the morning, in your body. So taking it excessively can do more harm than good. So you take half cup in the morning. The next day you take another half cup. That's how you do it, with wisdom, because these are herb and they are powerful. So you do this every day, half cup in the morning. And also try to check your blood sugar level. You have to check your blood sugar level to see that it has become normal. Just watch it. I tell you, bitter leaf will do the cure and the work for you. So just take it with wisdom, the way I just explained now. Don't take it excessively, because taking it excessively, which many people don't know, can do more harm than good. Some will start saying, it's not even working, it's not even doing what they want it to. In fact, the case has gotten worse. So take it with wisdom. Don't take it excessively. Take it moderately, half cup preferably in the morning. Just do this for that little period, or that period which you are having this diabetes. And also monitor your blood sugar. Save this post and share to someone or anybody that needs this post. Follow this page for more knowledge like this. I'll see you in another video. Take care.